It's pronounced Schutz, okay? S-C-H-U-T-Z, Schutz. Get it right. Hi, gems. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. All right, so before we get started with this video today, we have to do the drink of the day because that's what we do over here. We chill, we vibe, we drink, and we even put one up in the air. So if that's not what you do, you need to exit stage left. So today's drink is actually some tea. But you know, we gotta get our drink on regardless. And if y'all see this smoke right now, this ain't nothing but an incense, even though we do be putting one up in the air over here. But today's tea is celestial seasonings, cinnamon apple spice, and it's actually an acquired taste. So I don't really like cinnamon, so I don't know what made me buy this. All right, you guys, before we get started with the unboxing, let me tell you a little bit about the brand Schutz. Schutz was founded in 1995 by Alexandra Berman. The shoes are made of luxury materials at a luxury price point. I believe the shoes range from $100 to $300, so they're very affordable. And when I went online to find these shoes, it reminded me of how my mom used to shop at Schutz back in the 90s, and those shoes used to last her for a really long time. And so I was in search of a gold sandal heel. I wanted one without an ankle strap, without rhinestones, without none of that flim flam on it, you know what I'm saying? I just wanted something classy, something simple, something that I could wear with multiple things in my wardrobe. And I feel like these shoes are just that. So you know what, we're gonna go ahead and check these out. All right, now, these shoes are called Lurian in the color Platina. And I got a size 8.5, but these might be too small. So we're gonna go ahead and try these on. So let's get started with the unboxing. I think you better call Tyrone. Call him. All right. So, all right, you guys. So, let's check it out. We got our dust bag. And then, these are the shoes. They look the same as they did on the website. They're so gorgeous. I like them. They're plain, I know, but they're just so cute and classy. And I can get a lot of wear out of these. But I do think these shoes are too small, so I'm gonna exchange these for a size 9. But let's see how they look on my feet. That's the main part, right? I just feel like these are just a tad bit too small. I need a size 9. These are 8.5. All right, gems, so after I tried this shoe on, I do notice that the heel height is very comfortable, but the shoe is too small. So make sure you guys order yourself a half size up. Would I order from them again? Yes, I absolutely would. I've seen a pair of boots on there that I like. They come in different colors, but that bone color right there, that bone color is lit, okay? And I can see myself wearing an all denim outfit with that on and a nice hat. But unfortunately, I won't be ordering those because I know I won't get a lot of wear out of them, and I'm trying to stay out of things that I can't get a lot of wear out of. But if you guys are interested in those boots, I'm gonna leave a link below. They do sell Schutz at other retailers, but I will suggest that you buy directly from Schutz because you get a better shopping experience. Like, their exchanges are really easy. My exchange is actually on its way right now. All I have to do is send this off and they won't charge me. But overall, I love my purchase, and that's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. Bye, gems. Hey.